Hello and welcome to At the Mama That Does It All. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be showing you guys a quick and easy chicken dinner that the kids are sure to enjoy. I'm taking thin sliced chicken breast and then I'm going to go ahead and slice it up, and then once it's all sliced I'm going to put it into a bowl. Alright, so next we're going to season the chicken with some sea salt. And after we're done doing that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add this roasted garlic and herb seasoning from Aldi. Next, we're going to add some table blend seasoning, which has basil, it has cayenne pepper, it has thyme, oregano, and a mixture of other seasonings. We're going to add some black pepper as well. And then, of course, we cannot make anything without adding garlic, so whether it's minced, fresh, powder, I don't care. I always use some form of garlic in my food. And then we're going to add some paprika as well. After we've done all that, we're going to add some flour into the bowl. So I'm using 1.5 cups of flour. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And now the fun part, I get to mix it and mush it all up with my hands. So I'm going to just make sure that everything coats the chicken well, everything's mixed in well. So now that's all ready to go. I already have my oil heating and I have it set at a medium high temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding the little slices of chicken. So I know frying it's probably not the healthiest, but my kids love chicken nuggets and they're constantly asking for that, and it's something that I know that they'll definitely eat. So by me making this, I know exactly what's going into the chicken, what I'm putting in, how it's being handled, etc. So I do feel a little bit better knowing that I made it and knowing that they're going to enjoy it and it's something that they're actually going to eat. So I have a little bit of chicken still in the bowl, so I'm going to add this Aldi seasoning called Kicked Up Chicken that has the red chili pepper flakes in it, and it's just going to kick up this chicken and take it up a notch for me. So this is the kicked up chicken I have in the frying pan now. I can't wait to show you guys. This is what it looks like. I'm pairing it with this Asian salad from Aldi, which is one of my favorites. It has wontons, almonds, cabbage, carrots, and it comes with a delicious sweet onion vinaigrette. I also have, of course, the crispy fried chicken along with this. So yummy. And I made my own awesome sauce, like the one from Chick-fil-A, so we're super excited to eat and have this delicious chicken with the awesome sauce.
gotta take care of it. What is that thing?
What thing? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and your support. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like that intro at the beginning, please go check out my friend at Positively Giselle because she is the one that created it. Thanks. Take care.